Happy morning, children. Today we will discuss the concept of median. A very interesting example is given to you. There was a science exhibition in a city for 2 days. A school sent two boys and two girls to participate in the exhibition. There were 10 hotels within a distance of 1 kilometer from the venue of exhibition. The rates of meals. See, the hotel rates of meals is given in the ascending order. Like first hotel rupees 40, second 45, third 60, 65, 70, 80, 90, 100 and 500. These were the rates of the hotels in ascending order. See, smallest one and greatest is 500. So they had to choose one of them for the dinner. So, what was done? The average of rates in all the hotels was average means mean, as I told you, add divided by number of scores. How many hotels are there? 10. So, when you add, you are getting 1130 divided by 10, that is 113 is the average. Now, which hotel do you think they chose? Now, you tell me, which hotel do you think they chose? Except the rate rupees 500. Now, 500 is too much. Okay, so accept the rate 500. Which do you think they will be selecting? All others were less than 113. See, if you take the average, because this number is very big, 500. So, the students decided to choose a hotel having medium rate. Medium rate, generally we say, no, I don't want to buy very high quality also where the rates are too much, and I don't want very poor quality also. Average is okay for me. No, we do speak like that. Medium rates, I don't want. So generally we speak like that. So which hotel do you think they chose? The students decided to choose a hotel having medium rate. So the first day they chose the hotel with rupees 70. Medium rate, rupees 70. It is not too less also like 40 and not very high like 500 and all that. So the first day they chose the hotel with rate rupees 70, and on the next day the hotel with the rate rupees 80. Next day means second day, because there was exhibition for 2 days only. So you just change the law of nature, as we say. So they changed the next hotel, rupees 80. They had a nice lunch, dinner, and all that. So the the hot and the next day the hotel with the rate rupees 80. Now this example shows that sometimes the median is used instead of mean. Now 113 they didn't. So instead of mean, the average rate, what they chose? The medium rate. So what is this median rate? See here. This example shows that sometimes the median is used. Now this we have already done in detail in 9th standard. Say, in the previous standard, we have studied the concept of a median. If the number in a data are arranged in the ascending order, the number at the middle position is called the median of the data. This we have done in previous standard. And the median divides the array of numbers, means what all numbers are given, that is called as array of numbers, in two equal parts. That is, the number of scores below and above the median is equal. Very simple example I will give you. If you see Indian cricket team, after the match gets over and suppose any cup is going on, any tri-series cup and all, with three teams, and suppose India has won, so the captain is going to be in the middle position, and half the player will be on the left hand side and half on the right hand side. So is exactly, most of the time if you see, the captain is in the middle position only, and then the vice captain also next to him. You see, generally we have median in our life. So now see, just we will revise 9th standard, the definition. The scores, median. The scores are arranged in ascending or descending order. The number appearing exactly at the middle position in this order is known as median. The number appearing exactly at the middle position. If the number of observation is even, then the median is the average of the middle two numbers. So a very simple. Suppose here see, find the median. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. First step will be arrange it in ascending order. Okay, after that arranging it in ascending order. Now a very nice point which was given here was the median divides the array of number into two equal parts. Array of numbers into two equal parts. It is the number of scores below and above the median is equal. Above the median and below the median. So here, see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now 72 is in the middle position. This is all below, means less than 72. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. These are all array of numbers, 1, 2, 3. Now above 78, 87, 92. How many numbers? 3. Here also 3. So this is the median, exactly at the middle position, and number of scores to the left of it and right of it, actually they are same. That simple it is. And then what is being said, if the number of scores of here n was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it is 7 means odd number, so exactly we got it. But suppose if it is even, then what we do? Here see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is an even number. So now if I take say here, say 32. Now arrange it in ascending order. So if I take 32, I'll get 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 to the right. If I take 33, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here and here 4. So what we do is we take the average. 32 भी नहीं and 33 also. We take the average of it. 32 plus 33 upon 2. That is 32.5. This way it can come for 1 mark. For MCQ question also it can come, because you have studied in 9th standard. But sums related to it here, we will be solving it from your exercise. But few more examples we can revise it here. Here they have given one example. Here see, in 32, 33, 38, 40, 43, 48, 50. The fourth number is at the middle. Already it is being arranged in ascending order. So fourth number is at exactly 1, 2, 3, 4. So 40. Here how many? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 to the left and the right, above and below. So the median of the data is 40. So it